Ready? 5 seconds. Start. The story as to how thoughts travel almost like electricity from one place to another, influencing and inspiring peoples of far flung lands is extremely interesting. Stop. Short stories of ancient India and our social and religious thoughts spread in far off territories, crossing many seas and scaling many a high mountain peak. Stop. In the same way, the Buddhist faith and thought and the Buddhist conception of art traveled to foreign lands at a time when, comparatively speaking, the means of communication were more or less non-existent. Stop. Persistent efforts of devout thinkers and scholars gave wing to those thoughts and like saplings planted them in other countries where they blossomed and bore fruit. Stop. In all these countries, Buddhist thought and traditions were assimilated in and influenced by local thought. Para. It has been the effort of the International Academy of Indian Culture to present all those currents of thought in a readily assimilable and integrated forum. Stop. It is gratifying to note that in its efforts the Academy has met with considerable success, as a result of which it is going to launch its publication program, making a beginning with this. Stop. This book is a collective record, an integrated view of the many currents of thoughts that crossed each other throughout vast territories in the Himalayan fastnesses of Tibet and from the Pacific islands of Indonesia up to the snow-covered areas in Siberia and Central Asia. Stop. India thought had influenced all this vast area in ancient times. Stop. I hope the publication of this will throw much light on the undetermined history of these ancient countries and the exchange of thought that one took place among them. Stop. I am glad that the International Academy of Indian Culture has planned the publication of such a monumental work. Para. All this information about the ancient history of Eastern countries and their mutual relationship is coming to us at a time when there is an upsurge of awakening discernible in them. Stop. This knowledge is therefore of particular importance to us. Stop. Not only the countries of Asia but all the nations of the world are getting closer to one another, and all of them feel that the world can be saved from destructive wars by strengthening mutual ties of goodwill and friendship. Stop. Our knowledge of the relations which subsisted among the various countries in ancient times is bound to lend strength to the basis of international friendship. Stop. Let us hope that the publication of this and also the new awakening will inspire a sense of intellectual unity and neighborliness among peoples inhabiting a large part of the world. Stop. May the penetrating researches and the light of knowledge remove the successive upheavals. Stop. Sir, I rise to speak on this demand for the defense grants. Stop. My comments are going to be naturally critical. Stop. I have no complaints against the stewardship of the Defense Ministry. Stop. The defense report, which has been placed on the table of the House, has two very happy features, which I should mention in advance before I go into the critical parts. Stop. The first happy feature is that the chapter on national security environment makes out that India is equidistant from the two superpowers. Stop. It is a happy departure from the past where it has tilted towards one superpower. Stop. But this time the chapter shows a certain balance, which is a happy feature. Stop. Unfortunately, that balance is not reflected in the speeches made in the House from the ruling party side. Stop. Again, the members from the ruling party who spoke showed a tilt towards one superpower, but that is not there in the report. Stop. I think the defense minister should perhaps educate his own party members about the perspectives that he has. Para. The second happy feature is that for the first time there is a reference to a perspective plan for defense. Stop. We know that since 1964 there has been a 5-year defense plan, and there was a defense plan for 1990 to 1995, and there is going to be a defense plan for 1995-2000. Stop. But weapon systems are very sophisticated and they required gestation lags, but there was need for a prospective plan. Stop. And I am happy to see from the defense report there is a prospective plan for the years 1990 to 2000. Stop. What this prospective plan is, I do not know. Stop. And I do not know whether the defense minister is going to inform the House. Stop. Unfortunately, they have this old concept of information, and this House is regularly denied information which is easily accessible to foreign countries about our own country, but members of parliament are frequently kept in ignorance. Stop. The existence of this prospective plan is welcome. Stop. I do find one thing very unusual in this chapter on the national security environment, a reference to the instability of Pakistan because there it no democracy. Stop. I am happy that they are committed to democracy. Stop. Having the legacy of the emergency, this reiteration of their faith in democracy is a happy thing. Stop.